Hi all, I welcome you all back to this channel of BeePracticed, and in this we will be discussing about the AWS Solutions Architect Associate practice questions and example. So it states a company is preparing to migrate its on-premise application to AWS. The application consists of application servers and a Microsoft SQL Server database, and the database cannot be migrated to a different engine because SQL Server features are used in applications netcode. The company wants to attain the greatest availability possible while minimizing operational and management overhead. What should a solutions architect do to accomplish this? So before we check on the options, let's take a look at the hints. First hint is a Microsoft SQL Server database. Second hint is database cannot be migrated to a different engine because SQL Server features are used in the application's netcode. And the fourth thing is that to attain the greatest availability possible while minimizing operational and management overheads. Now, before we jump to the option and choose which is the right option, okay, let's first discuss about each of these options that are there. So when we talk about option A, that is install SQL Server on Amazon EC2 in a multi-AZ deployment, that is not the right way, or that is actually not the best way of doing database when we have AWS managed RDS. So option A will be uh, striked off. And before I jump to the second option, which is option B, let me just put out one more feature. That issue here is that the DB has its like dependencies due to which it will not be good chance to do the migration, right, due to its dependencies. So when we talk about this and we choose then option B to discuss about its concept. So actually there is no such thing as cross region multi-AZ deployment, right? So this option is not correct, right? Now, option C. Option C is talking about deployment, and we are not talking about the like deployment. So, and we want to do the migration. That is why option C is also not correct. So we are only left with option D, which is migrate the data to Amazon RDS for SQL Server in a multi-AZ deployment. Correct. So this is the right option. Why? Because SQL Server supports multi-AZ read replicas, and we exclude here the options above because they are not helping to choose a thing, and we have to choose this particular scenario to support the ask which is there, right? And just for a some hints, you can always take a look at this keynote. And I hope you have liked this content, and please do hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I wish you all a very happy learning. Thank you for listening.